Exercise number 118. Irrespective entirely of the different views of the respective parties to the discussion, I am compelled to consider the possible results of the obstructive course taken by the Council. There can be no doubt that the objective would be more easily attained if these merely destructive methods were abandoned. They can only be productive of mischief in the case of prospective candidates for admission to the society, and this whether we consider the matter prospectively or retrospectively. A retrospective examination will show what has occurred in the past in similar circumstances, and a prospective consideration will show what is likely to occur in the future if the respective parties are allowed to follow their own merely obstructive ideas. Each will be destructive of the other and will certainly act destructively, no matter what each may say. They should be instructed to consider respectively and collectively the effects of the present methods and advised to refuse them. Exercise over. Total words 200.